Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video, an unboxing video, small mail call. I say small, a very kind gentleman, friend of the channel, extremely good friend of the channel, reached out to me. And if you remember, Jay Fett, thanks Jay, he loaned me 5 razors on recent videos that I've used and tried. Great razors. Sent me a message on Instagram. I'm selling 3 subsets. Did say, do you want to buy them or anything like that? He just let me know to put word out there. I said I'll have all 3. So thanks a lot, Jay. I think you knew really I'd snatch your hand off. It's a good deal. Never used, brand new, and I don't know why you haven't used them because I've heard good things about this soap. Right, how you doing, guys? Are you okay? Are you having great shaves? I hope your week has started on a positive note. Right, Shaverage. We've got to have a Shaverage, haven't we? Shaverage I'm going for. I'm not really a lager drinker, but we're going for Carling. And we got the official Carling glass. So we'll get that poured. Tends to be a bit lively out the can. Yeah, I hope you're having a good start to the week, guys. I hope you're all in good health. And thank you so much for your support for Kim Gray on the last video as well. For the mesothelioma cancer awareness day for yesterday. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Right, let's get on to it. I'm going to open it up with my Swiss Army knife because I can't find Mr. Draper. I don't know where it's gone. I need the big blade on this. Where's the big blade? There it is. Your packaging has improved, Jay. Oh, Captain Morgan's. You have good taste in brandy. I catch myself. That's why you should do it away from you. I think I just caught that finger then. Yes, your packaging is definitely improving, Jay. I know why you packaged it so well because of the aftershave. I do understand that. Right, here we go. I put a good edge on this as well, and it's so sharp. Alright, okay, well, I'm going to go right through the box on this one. I'll go through the cardboard. I think I'm going to have to go and put a clean edge on the blade. Right, okay. That way up. That way up. Yeah, you need to practice, man. Oh, looks like you thrown something. No, you didn't. It's just a label off the bubble wrap. I thought you thrown something in there. Right, okay. Plenty of polystyrene nuggets. Get that out of the way. Right, this is what we're dealing with, guys. Let's open the first soap. Cheers, guys. All the best. I used to drink lager a long time ago. I gave it up. I got fed up with the hoppiness. Right. The soaps are Tallow and Steel, and this one is Mayer. That's the first one. They're all Tallow and Steel, all 3 sets. Can't wait to try this one. This one is Cognac. Boreal. And you know what these are. I'm going to show you anyway. This looks like the matching splash from Cognac, or for Cognac. There's the matching splash. One of the nuggets has escaped. Get them out. Bit of brute force is required. Jake, you're gonna have to practice, mate. They haven't leaked anyway. Well, these two haven't. There's the matching splash Mayer. Struggling getting these out, guys. It was going to be a short video. Thanks, Jay. And that's the matching splash for Boreal. Right, what we going with? We'll go for the Boreal first. God, I've made a right mess. Put the blade away. Boreal, Tallow and Steel. Wow, I snapped these up because I'm a lover of strong, complicated scents, and that is strong. It's fresh, earthy. There's woodsy. That's a great autumn scent. Very woodsy. And there's the pour, guys. Wow. Can't wait to try that. They are strong scents. It almost smells like, I don't know if you guys are familiar with, there's no menthol. I don't think there's any menthol in it, but it smells like a bit of a winter green. It's a muscle rub to relax the muscles, for sportsmen, if you like, athletes and everything. That's what it smells like, sort of. Looking forward to that. Cognac. Oh, dying to smell this. There's the pot. Wow. Straight away, I'm getting the cognac and a caramel scent. There's a smokiness there as well. There's something sweet there and I can't put my finger on it. It might be vanilla. Yeah, it is. It's vanilla. That is beautiful. Can't wait to try that one. Some exciting shaves coming up. I've still got soaps that I haven't used yet. The splashes are always more prominent than the soaps, but obviously they complement them so well. Mayer, is it Mayer or Mayer? Love the labels on these guys. Oh, I'm getting coffee. Coffee and oh, spicy. That's quite spicy. That's a masculine scent. Maybe a hint of tobacco in there as well. Some great autumn winter scents, and I love the labels. Matching splash. I'm going to shake it up and see if it smells different, because that smells almost the same as Boreal. That's better. Yeah, so they're like a tonic as well. You got to shake them up and mix the ingredients. Well, that's it, guys. Some exciting shaves coming up. I've still got some PAA I haven't tried. I've got some, what have I got? I've got quite a few soaps I haven't tried yet that are brand new, and I've ordered some more as well. I can't help it, I'm in the rabbit hole. Right, have a great rest of the week. I'll see you tomorrow on the Tuesday shave, and there will be another shave in the week because I am absolutely determined to get a head shave in. It's doing me head in, and I just haven't had time. Extremely busy with work and home life. So cheers, guys. Here's to the next shave. All the best, and take care and stay safe.